All right, so here's problem number 23. So we're going to find the points in which the tangent line is horizontal or vertical. All right, so let's go and let's find out what dy dx is. And we'll do that by finding out what?
dy dt.
Dy dt.
Over dx dt.
Okay, so over side work I'll do finding out what dy dt is. And it looks like dy dt is going to be...
Negative cosine.
No, just cosine.
Just cosine? Oh, yeah. You're
Did you double check that?
Yeah, just cosine.
All right. Over here, dx dt. Looks like it's going to be negative sign.
Yeah, negative cosine.
I agree. Negative cotangent t. So now the question then remains, where are the horizontal tangents?
Plus or minus 2 over root 3.
No, because that's actually the answer to problem 25,
Oh, yeah.
Roberto.
Right. Oh.
This is a
I
circle.
was ahead of myself.
All right.
Just the circle.
So how about this? The horizontal tangents are going to occur when the numerator is equal to 0. So we're looking at values for cosine that are equal to 0. So the horizontal tangents
N pi over 2.
will end up being at
Yeah, n pi
n
over 2.
pi over 2, where n is I.
Yeah.
So every place where cosine is 0, which is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2. What about the vertical tangents? Places where sine is 0. And where's that? That's going to be at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. Or in other words, it's going to be n pi, where n is an integer. And that's it.
Boom.
See what I did? I graphed this, and it was a circle, and so I just looked at the circle and said, oh, top of the circle, bottom of the circle.
Yeah, essentially this is a unit circle that's offset.
Yeah.
How is, for the horizontal tangents, n pi over 2 where n is odd? How is it that n is odd and not the evens? What happens when n is even?
When n is even, like when n is 2, you get 2 pi over 2, which is just pi, which puts you in, puts you in the other case.
So
I tell you what, you want to.
just write it.
I think I know what you want. Ready? Here's what you want.
Yes,
Ready?
write it a little bit different.
Okay. This over 2
When n is even.
when n is even. How's that? That works?
Yes.
0.
So 0 is even, so it would be in this case.
0 is even?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.